Are you looking for a reliable dumpster rental in Collierville, Tennessee? MainLine Containers has got you covered. Whether tackling a home renovation, clearing your garage, or managing a construction project, MainLine Containers offers the perfect waste management solution. With various dumpster sizes available, we cater to projects of all sizes, from small home cleanouts to large construction projects. Our service is designed for your convenience. We deliver the dumpster to your location and pick it up when you're done, ensuring a hassle-free experience from start to finish. At MainLine Containers, we prioritize eco-friendly practices. We ensure that your waste is disposed of responsibly, with a focus on recycling and reducing landfill impact. Our commitment to customer satisfaction is unmatched. You'll receive friendly, professional service and clear communication when you call us. Join the many satisfied customers in Collierville who trust MainLine Containers for their dumpster rental needs. Our reliable service and competitive pricing make us the go-to choice for waste management. Ready to get started? Visit our website at www.mainlinecontainers.com dumpster rental Collierville TN or call 901-205-9256 to book your dumpster rental today. MainLine Containers, your partner in efficient and responsible waste management. Clean, convenient, and reliable.